Good morning, students. We have started our chapter motion, or hope you have understood distance and displacement that we have done in our previous class. Today, one step more, we will proceed, and that we will study today speed and velocity. Means same topic, that term describing the motion. By listening speed, you can easily understand that we are talking about motion of any body. So let's begin. Speed. Speed is rate of change in distance. And students, you are knowing that distance is scalar quantity. So let's see. Speed is denoted by V. And what is speed? Rate of change in distance. Students, फिजिक्स में जब कभी भी रेट वर्ड आए, आपके दिमाग में तुरंत आना चाहिए कि दैट फिजिकल क्वांटिटी इज डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम. जहाँ भी रेट, दैट मीन्स इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम. सो लेट्स सी इन दिस व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. Change in distance, rate of change in distance, that means it is distance, and rate is there, that means time. So we can write distance by time. So V is equal to, that is speed is equal to distance by time. Let us say its SI unit. Very easily you can also take out its SI unit, students. SI unit of distance is meter and SI unit of time is second. So we are writing SI unit of speed is meter per second, or you can write this one as meter per second, or you can write meter second minus 1. ये तीन में से अगर आप कोई भी लिखते हैं तो कहीं भी गलत नहीं होगा और कुछ भी गलत नहीं होगा. So it is meter second minus 1. This is the speed. For example, a body travels distance 15 meter and it takes time is equal to 5 seconds. So how we can take out the speed? We can take out the speed, that is speed is equal to, that is V, and this V is equal to distance by time. Distance is 15 meter, time is 5 seconds. So you have got 3, that means 3 meter per second. So this body is traveling in the speed of 3 meter per second. Next, see what are the types of speed. First type we are going to discuss, that is uniform speed. Students, I think you are remembering the term uniform. That body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. So what is this uniform speed? Uniform speed is if a moving object covered equal distance in equal interval of time, then the object is said to be moving with uniform speed. So for example here I am showing you, this is for example. So just see, I have shown the graph. Body is covering 20 meter in 15 seconds. Then another 40 meter, that means 20 meter in 30 seconds. And another 60 meter in 45 seconds. So here you see what is the gapping. From 0 to 20 meter in 15 seconds. Then when it reached up to 40 meter, then 40 minus 20, 20 meter. And 30 minus 15, that is 15 seconds. Means body is covering each 20 meter in 15 seconds. So how will you calculate the uniform speed? We know that speed is equal to distance by time. And so here what is the distance? 20 meter in 15 seconds. So as it 20 meter in 15 seconds, I hope student you will calculate it. That is 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So how much? 1.33 meter per second. So body is moving with speed, uniform speed of 1.33 meter per second. So like this we are getting uniform speed. So see student, next type, non-uniform speed. Students, you are knowing non-uniform motion. आपने पढ़ा है non-uniform motion, that body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. So here just see the definition. देखिए आप, if a moving object covers an equal distance in equal interval of time, then the object is said to be moving with non-uniform speed. For example, here I am showing you, say this. For example, from origin to point A, body covers 20 meter in 15 seconds, and again at point B, A to B, it takes again 15 seconds and it is moving. So for this, let us calculate it. So see, after 15 seconds, first case, after 15 seconds, after 15 सेकेंड बाद क्या होगा, that it covers, see 20 meter, तो directly now I am writing 20 meter, और टाइम कितना लगा हम लोग को, 15 seconds. So we have calculated this. I hope we are getting 1.33 meter per second. Then you see in next 15 seconds what is happening. अगला 15 सेकेंड में फिर क्या हुआ, 15 seconds body is covering from A to B, means 60 minus 20, this is 40 meter. So it covers, it reaches at B 15 second में, 15 second it reaches, that means it has taken the time, कितना time लिया ये, 15 seconds. So how much you are getting it? Distance we have got, for this case we have got the distance, that is 60 meter minus 20 meter, that is 40 meter. And what is the time? Time is 15 seconds. तो speed निकाल लीजिए आप, that is distance by time means 40 by 15. And so you have got this answer. Cut it. 5 3s are 15, 8 5s are 40, that means 3 2s are 6. Again 2.66 meter per second, like this you will get it. So you see, एक 15 सेकेंड को तय करके आफ्टर completion of time 15 सेकेंड, speed of the body was 1.33 meter per second, and after completing the next 15 second, its speed was 2.66 meter per second. So this is non-uniform speed. And then students, average speed, instantaneous speed, this we will do next class. Okay.